Hello everybody. Our agenda for today: phonetics and phonology, goal, learn about elision, warm-up, uniform, practice, homework. Today we bring a tongue twister. Okay. Every student repeat after me. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Again. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. One more time. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Okay. Down. Everybody down. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Add. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Now, she shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Add. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Slow. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Add. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. Okay. One more time. She shouldn't sleep in the shed. 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 Okay, continue. Elision. Now we learn about elision. Definition. An elision is the removal of an unstressed syllable, consonant, or letter from a word or phrase for the purpose of decreasing the number of letters or syllables when missing words together. The missing letter is replaced by an apostrophe. Type of elision. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Some of the most common elision cases in English are T and D. Example: we are right the next date. T elided between key S and D. In el elision, good example in elision: with a right the next date. Okay. Second, complex consonant clusters are simplified. She asks, like, she out, the place, ask, can be simplified to X. She asks, like, she out, the place. 3. Can disappear in a stressed syllable. That's an interesting idea. Is not pronounced by many speakers, reducing the number of syllables in the word. Okay, that's an interesting idea. That's an interesting idea. That interesting idea. Okay. 4. B can disappear in of before consonant. Example: it's a complete waste of time. It's complete waste of time. Continue. Elision example: word, comfortable, laboratory, temperature, family, vegetable, feast, him. Okay. Without elision: comfortable, laboratory, temperature, family, vegetable, fish, him. Elision: comfortable, laboratory, temperature, family, vegetable, fish, in. Now we practice. Where in pair, complete the chart with elision. Word, elision, going, going, going to, where? Elation, gonna, gonna, okay. Want, 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 want to, elation, wanna, okay. Cannot, 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 can't, elation, can, 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 if, over, over, deletion is or, okay. Was, okay. Sorry. The never, 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 never. Okay, other. Okay. The last is it. It is. Elation. Tis. Okay, repeat. Going to, gonna. Want to, wanna. Cannot, can't. Over, or. Never, never. It is, tis. Okay. Now we practice. Now homework. Practice and give an example of time elation for the next class. The next class you bring more elation and continue to practice in class. Thank you. That's all for today.